So Max, what do you think is today the day? Today's the day for what?
Riding my bike with that chain wheels.
You are awesome. A little longer, Daddy.
Come on.
Go back and start over.
Right here.
No.
Okay, Max, come on, calm down. Let's do this.
All right, ready?
Go, Max, go! Max, you're doing great. Okay, I'm sorry. It's off. Oh, I'm sorry. Is it off? It's off. Oh, it's off. Let me see your hand. Does it need a kiss? Okay, you're doing awesome, Max. Hang in there. Proud of you. That's what's important.
Watch ahead of you. Watch ahead.
Awesome, Max! Yes! You are incredible.
Good job.
That's so awesome. Max, Max, I love you. I need you to tell me. Good.
Break. Break. Break.
Excellent. Because you're... It's good. Give me a thumbs up, buddy.
I don't wait until I can go on. I don't wait until I can go on one of those ramps.
On those ramps. Don't get ahead of yourself. Give me a thumbs up.
But I'm gonna need
We lost the
practice.
thumb over there on the curb.
Oh.
Here you go.
We're gonna need practice doing on the